We talk football SA. Mamelodi Sundowns 3, RP Leipzig 1. My brother, your name, how did you see the game?
I know I'm good, my brother. My name is Sidiso Justice Mokwena. Yeah, today it was just a wonderful game to watch. I don't want to lie, my brother. What I've seen today is something phenomenal.
Yes.
Something phenomenal. No one ever thought that Sundowns can come back from that game. Because if you can check, hey, the game was so. Oh, sorry, my brother. If you can check, my brother, the game was so. Was somehow.
Yeah, it was
45
tense.
minutes, yeah, it was very tense. First 45 minutes. I saw like the boys were struggling there and there.
Yes.
But after some few changes, I've seen the game changing completely. But I would like to give the credit to Marcelo Allende, automatic. Marcelo changed the whole game.
Yes.
Yeah, president. And Tashik Matthews would like to game sharp, but always still the opportunity na bona president. Yeah. But so far Sundowns always be Sundowns. There's no
Sunshine and piano.
I don't know.
From African champions.
Yo.
From African champions to world champions
They
now.
have proved, my brother, they are the champions, the real champions.
Yes.
Abana limit power. International, we are twad. Everywhere you go, get the champion.
Yeah.
Thank you, bro.
Thank you, my brother.